outfit of the night. Napansin ko lang sa edad ko ngayon, hindi ko na nai-enjoy mag-makeup. And then, powder na lang yung yung nai-enjoy ko at saka lip gloss, a little bit of tint on my lips. Every time na nagdadala ako ng mga makeup brushes or anything, it's just a waste of space on my suitcase. Tapos ngayon, hindi naman ako nagme-makeup na. Parang na-enjoy ko na ba na-adapt ko na yung katandaan ko na you don't really need a lot of makeup to look good. You know what I mean? So, anyway, medyo husky yung ating boses kasi every night we're having such a good fun, having a laugh, non-stop laughing. You know, we're having fun. And then tonight we're going to have dinner. Maybe not so late tonight. Last night 2 p.m. na kami nakatulog. So much fun last night. So medyo pagaw-pagaw tayo for today. Anyway, reason why I'm here, I'm showing you the simplest outfit that I can imagine. Hindi naman kailangan napaka-busy yung outfitan natin eh. Kahit simple lang siya. Actually, ang dami kong compliments. Kahit simple lang. Mga tao na yung lumalapit sa akin na, oh my God, yung simple ka lang pero for some reason it worked out. Yung na-flatter lang ako, gusto ko lang i-share. Gusto ko lang i-share na na-flatter ako sa mga compliment. People here, passerby, you know. This time, napansin nyo ba na less na lang ako video kasi nga, I'm trying to marami kasing may ayaw din sa akin mga outfitan ko kaya medyo kumalma ako ng konti. A lot of people doesn't like what I do in social media, so hence na nag-calm down ako a little bit. But it doesn't mean na mag-stop talaga ako, no. I will still continue, you know, maybe a little bit here and there. But anyway, medyo humaba na yung ating video. So, Victoria Beckham. The whole outfit is from Lily Silk.